Hi, I'm Brianni Delapaz, and I'm the president of the ECD Cup.
Hi, I'm Serene Sharper, and I am the secretary of the ECD Club.
Hi, I'm Cassidy Phillips, and I am part of the leadership of the ECD Club.
And we all planned this Literacy Day.
Today's event was Literacy Day, so all of the children, they went into the math room, science room, art room, reading room, and the music room.
We hosted Millie's House, King's Kids, Blossom, Academy of Learning, and Noah's Ark today. I really enjoyed hosting these kids. I am very big on play is learning. We had 55 kids in total.
So this event meant so much not only to me but to all of our education majors because it allowed us to get hands-on with the kids and experience what it is to be able to bring kids in and integrate every subject into the lesson we want to teach.